Hello my friends! Today we are going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing kind of thing with the new stuff that Sugarpill has just come out with. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting forever for Sugarpill to come out with some of these. They've teased some of these eyeshadows for a while, and so we have like a bunch of Sugarpill stuff. I am so excited to get into this, and we're trying something different today. So we're uploading on a Saturday. Usually I try and get videos up on a Friday, but we're uploading on Saturday because I want to kind of have this coincide with my makeup stream. So if you go over to twitch.tv/LeeshaLand, you can hang out with me live, and we are going to be playing with everything here. We're going to be playing with the Sugarpill eyeshadows and creating a look with them, seeing where we go with them. So I thought that that'd be kind of fun to have the video, like the first look, all that stuff, and then being able to jump over to LeeshaLand and play with the eyeshadows and see what we come up with. I love Sugarpill stuff. They have the best red eyeshadow that has ever been created, ever. They have one of the best matte purples that I can think of. They have one of the best matte whites. They just are really good at what they do. Sugarpill kind of has been in a lip kind of phase for a while. I'm not a big lip person, as many of you know. I will say that their lip formula, their liquid lip formula, is my favorite. It's almost like moussey. It's like not super thin. It's really easy to apply and it looks beautiful. But this is super exciting to me because it is mainly all eye stuff, new eyeshadows, new matte eyeshadows, and I already know their formula is amazing. And there's some new loose eyeshadows, there's some new eyelashes, and there's two new lip colors, lip glosses, and they just look, I don't even have words. They look amazing. So let's jump into all of this. I'm going to be live at LeeshaLand at noon Pacific. So if it's before noon Pacific, just know I'm going to be live soon. So what I want to start out with are the eyeshadows because I'm just so excited about it. Oh my gosh, I literally can't even explain to you guys how excited I am. Here we have 6 beautiful, lovely eyeshadows, and we have a beautiful, lovely eyeshadow palette. So pretty. Look at oh my gosh, I love that this is like not even. It's like right in the center, but then I like the gold accents. This is beautiful. Wow, that's really, really pretty. I like it. It's like an upgraded version of their old one, which I have within grabbing distance. I know that. Okay, well, maybe I'm just saying it's an updated one because mine is dirty as hell. Yeah, it's pretty much exactly the same. Mine is just disgusting, so there's the difference. I'm like, wow, this is so pretty. No, it's just mine is trashed. But yes, Love Plus, the best red eyeshadow known to man. And then Poison Plum, amazing. Taco, their stuff's just fantastic. It's awesome. All right, so let's open these and figure out where we want to put them. Oh my gosh, everything is falling and I'm not even touching it. Look, just like, oh, it's just so cute with the hearts. I love it. I like Sugarpill a lot. Beautiful. Okay, I wanna put these away first. So first we have Taco, which we already know is just such a great, fantastic white eyeshadow. Like, you can't get better than that. It's so nice. It can blend for like literally days. This is with no base on, so you get that like, oh, it's just so nice. And if I had a base on my hands, I can make it even whiter. But it's just a great like blending color. It's just great. It's freaking great. Then this is Wink. That is such that is not what I think of when I think of Sugarpill colors. But I love when Sugarpill comes out with more neutral stuff because it's left field. It's not even in the baseball field for Sugarpill, but their formulas, are just so smooth. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what I like to call a shade that I would wear. Like, this is the wash of color shade, so to speak. So this is the color that I would just like quickly just put on without really thinking about it. Like, this is one, and because it's so smooth, you can even just use your fingers just to quickly like pop that on your eyes. Oh my gosh, and it's just so smooth. Oh, I love it. That is beautiful. Okay, so next, I'm gonna do, how am I gonna do this? Like this? Like this? Like that. Okay, so next is this beautiful color called Arsenic. Oh, this is like toxic waste. Toxic wasteland. Oh man, Let's do this one next. Ooh, this is so beautiful. Hypnotic, another matte, that blue. So smooth. So that's like with no base, but let's see. If we take just an Urban Decay base, this is an Enigma. Throw that on top. And we'll just do these two last shades. And we'll do Taco too. Oh my goodness, look at the difference in Taco. So see, like they are beautiful on their own, but when they have something to grab onto, and that's pretty normal for matte colors, it's just like it really just sucks it in, and it just, oh, it looks so good. Looks so good. All right, what do we got next? This purple, which looks so nice. Valoria. Oh, I like that name. I feel like I would name a baby Valoria. And they would be like the coolest baby. Or I feel like if I was like to become like a famous person or something, you know, like had a name like Zendaya, I feel like Valoria would be a really cool just name. You know, like a Cher or like Madonna. Just, I'm Valoria. Okay, and then this is Tokyo. I've seen Tokyo. I know Tokyo came out a while ago and was like a con exclusive, maybe Drag Con, but I was really excited about that one. Oh my gosh, these are so cool too because they're not quite like the norm. They're not quite full pastel. They're not quite full bright. They're kind of like right in between where they're almost like a mix of a bright and a pastel together. So here they are on no base. And then with the eyeshadow base. So cool. These are like, I can't think of anything that's quite like them. And I really love that. I really love when I can't immediately think of like, oh, this reminds me of blah, because that means it doesn't exist anymore. Like, it doesn't exist. So those are, oh, I like these. And I just like that this is all like just, it feels very unique. I do really appreciate how smooth it is and how easy it is. And I don't feel like you need to even use an eyeshadow base to really get nice quality with that. All right, I want to get into these bad boys. So excited about them. The loose eyeshadows. Ooh, they're running away from me. It's like wet. Is it supposed to? There's no way it's supposed to be like that. Okay, that one looks normal. That one looks pretty normal. That one looks normal. I feel like this is not... You know what this feels like? It feels like kinetic sand. I don't think that that is correct. It is ridiculously pretty though, I will say that. This is super something, like this is really unique. I've never seen anything quite like this, where it's like this bronzy base and then it has this literally holographic glitter going on in it. The glitter is multi-shifting, like there's purple, there's green, there's yellow. That is so freaking cool. But I'm going to text Amy right now actually and be like, is this normal? We will get to the bottom of this. Let's move on while I'm waiting for Amy to respond. So next we have Silver Lake. Oh, though, look at that. Holy, what the hell? Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. I don't even have words. It's the most insane thing I've ever seen. I want to use that as like a liner on everything. Turn into like the coolest robot ever. Okay, that was Silver Lake. This one is Polar. And then Memento. So we'll do Polar first. That is insane. That is insane. Oh my, I don't even, that silver is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Holy moly ravioli. Sorry, you keep seeing Dwight is Jim showing up on my thing. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about here are these two liquid lip glosses. I don't know what else a lip gloss would be. I don't know what I'm calling a liquid lip gloss, but the finish on these are just holy, like, oh my god, amazing. This one in particular, this one is called Bloom, and then we have Flicker. Flicker is funny because the way that their font is, it definitely looks like it says something else. Like, it definitely looks like it says something else. But they have just this sparkle that's just plain old nuts. Bloom in particular, like, oh my god, you guys. I can't handle how beautiful this is. And I love purple lip glosses like this because they are quite, they're not crazy. They can definitely add like a really cool flash to, if you have like a bold lip already, like a pink would look amazing with this. But if you're wearing it on its own, it's not gonna be anything like nuts. This is awesome. One of the things that I really like about Sugarpill lip products in general, even though I know I'm not a lip person, is that their doe foot applicator is pretty unique. It has this like kind of cutout in it so that it feels like it kind of just fits on your lip a little bit better, and it gives you a little bit more control than if it was just like flat. And these feel so nice on too. They smell so good and they feel like vinyl, if that makes sense. They're super smooth. There's no stick at all. And I just, it feels so good. I just love them. The last thing are these lashes. Now, I have not worn lashes this entire year. Stopped wearing them. I feel like something that a lot of us are guilty of, me especially, is that you kind of can use false lashes to as like a crutch, so to speak. So your whole look can just really depend, like you can look that's not even that good, and then you throw lashes on and it looks great, and that's fine. But I wanted to focus more on like the actual makeup. I don't love wearing false lashes. I feel like if I'm going out, sure, or if like at night, but I don't really do that. So to me, it's like I don't want to put the effort of wearing them and like feeling like my eyes are gonna fall like shut and all this stuff all the time. I will say I love all 3 pairs of these because they're ones that I would actually wear. Sugarpill's a big brand when it comes to drag. So to see them come out with these ones that are definitely ones that I would wear, I really like. What do we have here? This is Halo. Those are beautiful. This is Dazed. Also beautiful, a little bit more wispy and kind of swing out at the ends there. And then these are Rapture, which have more of kind of that crisscrossy action going on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so if I was to tell you, like, out of everything here, what I love most, Brick Toast, even though it's like kind of got this weird chunkiness going on in it, I wonder if it's because it was outside, like my mailbox is outside and it's really hot in Arizona, and like Arizona is already hot on its own, plus being inside of a, okay, so Amy just got back to me basically saying exactly what I was just saying. She said, dude, the heat has been melting the binder in transit. It's still safe to use, but it's so ugly and we're having the lab redo them with less binder. Okay, so that's what I figured, is that the heat melted it, and because it's already hot in Arizona, and then because my mailbox, you know, they leave it inside of this like metal box in the heat, so it's kind of like the car thing where like it's gonna be 1,000 degrees hotter in that mailbox than it is actually, you know, outside. So that makes sense. This silver though is the most nuts thing I've ever seen in my life. Holy shit, it's amazing. Brick Toast is the most unique thing. And I'm obsessed with it. It's amazing. Those 2 are fantastic. These both, I mean, I'm wearing Flicker. I thought was gonna be a little dark for me. It's beautiful. And Bloom is beautiful. Amazing. The eyeshadows, if you don't have Taco, you need Taco. I feel like any look ever, it's such a good staple color to have from Sugarpill. Well, these are all stunning. If these are colors that you would use or you're looking for more mattes, Sugarpill is always a good choice. You get a ton of product, the price is super reasonable, and it's beautiful. Or the eyelashes, rather, are really gorgeous too. So, I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing with me, and if you're already still here, what are you doing here? Head over to Twitch, hang out with me. I really want to hang out with you guys. We have so much fun over there. We have the makeup roulette wheel, and it's just a lot of fun to do our makeup together. I hope to see you there, and other than that, I will see you on Monday.